Hello and welcome. I'm bringing you all this easy to put together apple crumble using healthier ingredients, so cutting out the flour and butter completely. Start by dicing some apples into chunks. The smaller you make them, the quicker this will come together. Slice them thinly if you don't want to saute for too long. Heat some coconut oil and throw in your apples. Sprinkle with any sugar of choice. I use demerara sugar and cinnamon. Reduce these down until brown and bubbling away. Cook this in an oven-proof dish if you have one of those, because you'll have one less dish to wash. Any cast iron skillet would be great. My stove just doesn't support one of these. So if you're like me, throw this onto a baking dish with your topping, which by the way is just rolled oats, melted coconut oil and maple syrup. Finish this off in the oven at 180 degrees for 20 minutes. I like to serve steaming hot with some Greek yogurt, walnuts and some more cinnamon. I love having this on a work from home breakfast day, and it absolutely feels like a treat. You can also of course have this as a dessert, maybe with some ice cream. Whatever you decide, I guarantee you'll love eating this. Thanks for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and check out some of my other recipes by clicking on any of these. No pressure though.